In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a Shopify plan using a debit card. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up your payment option in no time. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply need a refresher, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in and simplify this task together. First off, you'll want to start by accessing your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the main dashboard where you manage your store. If you're not sure how to get there, simply go to the My Store section on Shopify's homepage. This area is essentially your control center, where you'll find all the key functions for managing your online store. Next, you'll want to move on to the settings. On your dashboard, locate the Settings option, typically found at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various options related to your store's configuration. This is where you can adjust everything from general settings to payment details, which is our focus today. From the Settings menu, click on the Payments option. This section is where you can manage and update all payment-related settings. Whether it's managing transaction fees or adding a new payment method, this area ensures your store's checkout process runs smoothly, essentially acting as the backbone of your store's payment infrastructure. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll be looking for an option to Add Payment Method. Clicking on this will take you through a series of prompts that guide you in setting up a new way to pay for your Shopify plan. This is crucial because setting the right payment method helps avoid future disruptions and ensures seamless continuation of your services. When prompted to type in search, it's your moment to specify the payment method you wish to associate with your Shopify plan. In this scenario, you'll be selecting your debit card as the preferred option. Usually, simply typing debit card will get you started on linking this method with your account. Make sure you have your debit card details ready, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, so you can enter them when prompted. After you've entered your debit card details, Shopify will likely perform a quick verification process to confirm everything is in order. Once your card is successfully added and verified, congratulations, you're all set. With your debit card now linked as the payment method, your Shopify services will continue seamlessly, ensuring your store remains operational without any hitches. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up your debit card to pay for your Shopify plan. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials so you can continue to optimize and enhance your Shopify experience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.